The babies are increasingly bellicose. As you can see, life in the nest is a never-ending contest for survival and dominance. Here we have Fluffy number 1 and Fluffy number 2 and Fluffy number 3. And the one who likes to fight with the back of the tail. And here we have Backbiter. Look at them all. Fluffy, mindless, violence. He does a backflip without even meaning to. It was merely a reflexive action of its feline war mind. Yes. There's little more terrifying in all of the animal kingdom. Look how he creeps upon me. He will soon be able to climb walls, snatch birdies from the bottom leaves of trees, terrify any rodent smaller than a weasel, and leave little gifts in the shoes of his owners. Probably not that. We're going to have you good and trained very soon, but look at you trying to escape. This one is trying to rearrange this one's face. And Daddy is only so happy. What are you chewing on, sir? What is in your face? You've made me go English. Back to the babies. I don't know why I sounded like I was from an island north of France for a moment. Sometimes these things occur. He does not know what to think of the dark box. Yes, they are becoming much more active in the mornings. Soon they will no longer be the babies. Beefers, what do you think you're doing? Maybe it's because his name is Beefeater and this is a British drink. Also, he likes beef, but not the kind you eat, the kind where you fight or lick the kitten. Oh no, it's nearly a fight.